Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure NFS Server to share folders on Windows Server 2022. First, open Server Manager. Once open, click on Add Roles and Features. On the first page of the Add Roles and Features wizard, click Next. In the Select Installation Type page, select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and click Next. Next, select the server you will install NFS on and click Next. In this Select Server Roles part, expand File and Storage Services and further expand File and ISC services, then check the box against Server for NFS. A pop-up window will come forth. In the pop-up window, click Add Features and hit Next. In this Select Features page, simply click on Next. Confirm your installation selections and hit Install. Wait until finish installing, then click Close and you will have finished the installation process. We are now going to configure a folder that we shall export to clients. On Server Manager, click File and Storage Services. Select Shares from the expanded menu. After that, click on the Tasks drop-down menu and select New Share. A new Share wizard will open. On the first page of the wizard, select NFS Share Quick and click Next. On this page, choose Type a custom path, browse for your directory, and click Next. Type in a name for your shared folder and hit Next. Depending on the authentication methods that your organization uses, you have a choice to make at this stage. Choose the one that befits your use case and hit Next. Click on Add and you now have many options to choose the hosts to access the share. You can place only one host, a net group, a client group, or all servers that can reach it. Make your choice and click on Add. Continue to click on Next. Then, you can tweak the permissions to befit your scenario here. Once done, click Next. Now, confirm your selections and click Create. Once done creating, click Close. Finally, you can see the shared folder you just created.